Hi everyone, welcome back to Life at Hacks. Today we are talking about 25 Android apps that you should not install on your phone. These apps might seem useful, but they can drain your battery, steal your data, or slow down your device. Let's dive right in. Stick around till the end because number 25 is an app that millions of people still use every day without realizing how risky it is. Number 1. Battery saver apps. These promise longer battery life, but Android already has built-in battery optimization. Most just run in the background and waste power. Number 2. Flashlight apps. Almost all flashlight apps require unnecessary permission like contacts and location. Your phone already has a built-in flashlight. Number 3. Cleaner apps. They claim to boost performance, but they fill your phone with ads and sometimes even malware. Number 4. Antivirus apps. Not all antivirus apps are bad, but many free ones are just adware in disguise. Stick to trusted security providers if you need one. Number 5. Free VPNs. They track your activity and sell your browsing data. Always go for trusted paid VPN. Number 6. RAM booster apps. They close background apps, but Android reopens them instantly. This uses more power instead of saving it. Number 7. Fake charging animators. They look cool, but many come loaded with malware and drain your battery. Number 8. Keyboard apps with ads. Third-party keyboard like some clones of SweetKey or Go Keyboard collect your keystroke, including your password. Number 9. Screen recorder apps with unknown developers. Many of them secretly record your screen data and sell it. Number 10. Free movie or TV streaming apps. They not only break copyright laws, but often carry spyware and adware. Number 11. Weather apps with heavy ads. Some weather apps use way too many permissions like your contact and SMS. Stick to Google Weather or trusted brand. Number 12. Unknown music downloaders. They claim to let you download free music, but are mostly filled with malware and scams. Number 13. App blockers from unknown sources. They pretend to secure your apps, but often track your usage and show invasive ads. Number 14. Photo filter or editing apps with permission overload. Some shady photo apps requires mic and location access. Why would they need that? Number 15. Third-party app stores. Apps like Aptoid or random APK stores often carry pirated or infected apps. Number 16. Boost My Wi-Fi apps. They don't actually improve your Wi-Fi. Most are scams with tons of ads. Number 17. Horoscope and fortune apps. Not all are bad, but some of them collect personal data while showing basic text you could find online. Number 18. Speed test apps. There are tons of clones filled with ads. Stick to trusted apps like Ookla Speed Test. Number 19. Ultra bright screen apps. Totally unnecessary. Your phone already has brightness controls. Number 20. Fake social media apps. Be careful. Some clones of WhatsApp, Instagram or TikTok are actually spyware. Number 21. Game cheats and mod apps. They often ask for root access, which can damage your phone and expose it to hackers. Number 22. Free PDF scanners from unknown developers. They can scan your documents, but also upload them to servers you don't control. Number 23. All abandoned apps. If the developer hasn't updated in years, avoid it. Outdated apps are full of security holes. Number 24. Alarm clock apps with ads. Your phone has a built-in alarm clock. No need to download risky alternatives that show ads. Number 25. Facebook app. Yes, the official one. This might surprise you. Facebook's official app is one of the biggest battery drainers on Android. If you need it, use Facebook Lite or the browser version. So there you have it. 25 apps you should avoid installing on your Android phone. Remember, your phone already has most of these features built in. Don't fall for unnecessary apps that put your data at risk. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe to Life at Hacks, and share this video with your friend to help them stay safe too.